Your mom looks like a dog.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad.
Blink if you want some chicken. Okay. What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick?
Angel, I was thinking about going for a walk.
You look like a potato.
You are not going back outside. No, you're not.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
You want a treat? Stella's a good girl. No, Stella's a bad girl. Stella's a good girl.
You ready to go take your bath?
I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.